Hey there, welcome to our Python programming tutorial series. In this video, we're going to cover the basics of Python programming to help you get started on your coding journey. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a refresher, this video is for you. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language, known for its readability and ease of use. So, let's dive right in! Setting up Python. To begin coding in Python, you'll need to install the Python interpreter. Head over to python.org and download the latest version for your operating system. Once installed, you can access the Python shell and start writing your first lines of printing to the console. Let's start with a simple example. One of the most basic things you'll do in Python is printing messages to the console. You can do this using the print function. Example, print hello, world. When you run this code, you'll see hello, world, printed on the screen. Variables and data types. Variables are like containers that store data. Python has different data types, such as integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Here's how you can use them. Example: age equals 25 hash integer. Pi equals 3.14159 hash float. Name equals Alice hash string. Present equals true hash boolean. Basic arithmetic. Python can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and example: x equals 10 years equals 5. Sum underscore result equals x plus y. Difference equals x, y. Product equals x, y. Quotient equals x, y. Conditional statements. Conditional statements help your program make decisions. Here's an example using an if statement. Temperature equals 30 if temperature greater than 25: print it's a hot day. Else print it's a pleasant day. Loops. For and while. Loops allow you to repeat action. Here's a simple loop using the for statement. For I in range 5, print iteration, I. And here's an example using the while loop. Count equals 0 while count print count, count plus equals 1. Conclusion. So, there you have it. These are some of the fundamental concepts in Python programming. We covered printing, variables, data types, basic arithmetic, conditional statements. With these basics under your belt, you're well on your way to becoming a Python pro. In upcoming videos, we'll explore more advanced topics and build on what we've learned here. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more exciting Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!